Okay, I'm going to show you an example of Edmodo, which is a sort of social networking tool for classes and groups. I find it a nice, useful way to communicate quickly with students or to send them information quickly. Probably a lot easier than using things like Mole. Um, you have to sign up, and you have to sign your students up as well. When you sign up, you need to make sure you sign up as a teacher, and then you use this form to sign up. And then when your students sign up, then they need to sign up as a student, and this makes sure that they don't have the teacher controls. Now what I'll do is I'll just sign in and show you a few of the features. I've used this with quite a few of my groups, and you can see here there's me on the left here, and down here are the groups that I've used it with. At the top you have your box where you can send various types of information to students, either links or files or just notes, you know. And so down here we've got all of these different groups. To create a group, you can see here it says groups, join or create. If you click on create, you create a group name. Let's call this test group. Higher education, subject area, language arts, ESL. I don't think this actually matters, but they like to fill it out. And you create that group. Okay, you can see it's a test group there. The most important thing is when you go to test group, okay, you need to find out the, wait, where are they? The settings, because each group will have a code, and this is the group code, and this is what the students need if they're going to sign up. When they sign up for the site, they need to enter in that code, and this will enable them to join that group. Okay, so I've created this group. You can see there are no posts here, but I can send things to them. Simply, I can just send them a note. Okay, say hi, this is your teacher, and that can be sent to test group. Okay, if I wanted to send it to test group, however I don't have to, so but I will send it to them. And you can see, there you go, the message pops up like this. So you can see it's a very quick and easy way to send students messages. You know, I could send that to a variety of people. Right. And you can see when I can either send this message to everyone or groups, or I can send it to individuals. So for example, I might want to send it to myself or an individual student, so I can send that. Okay, that should pop up. I think because it came from me, it didn't pop up. Alright, so there are other things you can do. You can also attach things, so you can type a note and say, you know, this is your homework. Okay, and then you can attach a file. And so you might go to find a document or something like that. In this case, I'll just say there's instructions for references. Not sure what that is, but I'll add that in. And I can then send that to a particular group. Again, though, I don't want to send it to it. No, I'll send it to the test group. Okay, and I can send it to them. Okay, and again, that pops up there, and they can then open that or download that. You can also send them a link, say like a YouTube video. So then you get the place to put the link, and if you put in particularly what they call the embed code, which is here on YouTube. Wait, stop that. Let's copy that, and then I go back to Edmodo and put that in, and then put in the football match. And then we attach that. Okay, then we send that to the test group again, and hopefully if this has worked. When they no, that's a test group. When you send it to them, it should pop up as a whole video there, so that then they can watch it in the actual page itself and not have to go to the YouTube site. So that's quite nice. You know, there are a variety of other things you can do. You can create polls for the group. You know, little questions. This might be good for getting feedback after a lesson, or you know, at the end of the week. There's a place for giving them assignments. But yeah, it's a great way for, you know, I found, to share information either with one group, an individual, or with lots of different groups. So I might find a YouTube video and then I can send it to all of my students and they'll find it. You know, or a way of sending homework to someone. I also use it to upload my whiteboard notes so that students can access those after the lesson as well. You know, I find, you know, for my day-to-day needs, it's perhaps better than Mole, in that you can just, you know, post, you know, small bits of information, and you don't need to go through that whole complicated system of you know, using Mole to edit things and upload things. You know, this is very quick and easy and familiar to students. They like the layout, and it's easy for them to contact you. Also, it's good that you can write individual notes to students, and they can write individual notes to you, but they can't write to each other. So you know, this stops it becoming like a sort of a private chat room in the class. So yeah, I just thought I'd make you aware of that. If you have any questions, please come and ask me, and I'll be happy to look at that for you.